There we go. Yeah, I'm fatigued right now, boys and girls. Look how many cars we have in the lot. The Pops is having a party. Hello. Phone connected. Oh man, I need gas. I don't like the new WRX, guys. It looks like this Corolla. Looks like a Honda Civic. Alright guys, let's stop speeding for a second. Let's talk about things that I dislike about my bike, the 2022 XSR900. Alright, first things first. Oh, the voice cracked. First thing is first, the damn TFT dash. Now I know this is where Yamaha cut some costs, right? It's small as shit, dude. The screen is like itself is okay, but like the actual like digital thing itself is so bad. Look at that little cruiser. You guys want to see me in real traffic? Here, I'll let you guys see me in traffic. It's kind of boring. I'd rather just lane split and like give you guys some content, right? But since everybody's so pro driver nowadays, oh my god, I hope you smear your brains across the front. Oh my god. Alright, I hope you get a life. Get off the computer. Don't go touch grass, loser. How about that? Literally, I don't complain about anybody else, bro. Y'all just complain to yourself. Y'all are putting the stress onto yourself thinking about me. Just worry about yourself, bro. Who cares about other people? Worry about yourself. If other people die, fuck it. Who cares? Everybody dies. That's my opinion. Maybe I just too my way of thinking is just too harsh, right? I could give a fuck about things. It's just that easy, bruh. Alright, another thing I dislike about the bike, well, it's not here anymore, but the seat, like the stock seat. Not the I mean, like the shape at first I didn't really like, I wasn't really fond of it. It was okay, and as I got to look at the bike in person more and like it became mine, I really enjoyed the shape of it, and that is the reason why I kept the shape of the seat on the Kelpie Custom Moto seat right now. It's the same shape. I wanted to keep it that like sporty shape, you know, with the boxy seat. So but other than that, the stock seat was like, dude, you couldn't ride. I'm talking about like 30 minutes. It would literally just numb your like bottom of your like thigh, like your hamstring, like right at the, it's like right between where the hamstring connects and where your gluteus connects, right there, bro. It just numbs that whole area up. Right? So that shit was just nah. I had to if you get this bike, you got to change the seat out, either a Corbin or a Kelpie Custom Moto, or like any other thing. Any other thing is better than the stock seat, I'll tell you that much. I can see where Yamaha cut their costs and, like, you know, save some money with the dash. Okay, look how small it is. Literally like this square. That's literally so small, right? It's the size of like the GoPro 10. That's how small it is. That's why I dislike this shit. If you could somehow change this, you could somehow change it. Then I would definitely love the bike even more, because the dash is what's really triggers me sometimes. You know, it's a nice bike and you have this like small ass like dash, you know what I'm saying, and you can't even see shit on it. Like, I mean, you can see, but it ain't like optimal as like my friend's like screens, like on his Suzuki or like the Beamer. Yeah, man, it's not ideal. And then the seat is not ideal either. You got to change that out, honestly. You got to change those out. And then last, or actually, I don't know if it's last, but I can't really think of any other like dislikes about it. Like, I'd really have to like be nitpicking, you know, kind of in a way. But the brakes, I wish they came with Brembo brake pads. It comes with a Brembo master cylinder, rear and front, you know. Like, what is this? Like, what's going on? Ooh, very clean. But yeah, and this thing is just, see how small it is? You can't even see shit. And like the brakes, yeah, they don't really like bite really nice, you know. Like, they bite, but they just they could be better, way better. Like, you see the Brembo, where are the calipers, where are the brake pads? Like, what the hell? So those three things so far, right? Another thing, quality control, to be honest. But basically, dude, everything is like loose, right? You can see this, right? I mean, like, I'm not expecting everything to be, you know, fucking flush and like, but like, come on, like, it like wobbles, the back, the rear tail light wobbles. Everything is not like, everything is kind of loose, you know, and it's not like it's secured, but it's not secured because it's not like tightly in there, and it just feels like it's like cheap, you know. It just feels a little cheap because like when you touch like your other bikes, everything is like solid in there, you know. Like, I mean, this is fine because that's, you know, your fucking, your master cylinder. So I mean your brake reservoir, so it's fine. But you know, just small stuff like that, man. Like I don't really like you expect like a big name like Yamaha to like, you know, kind of just like do better with it, you know. But overall, guys, I mean, I don't really see anything else that's wrong with the bike. You know, obviously, like, you know, just quality, like I always say, quality control is like probably like the nitpicking at its finest. Cause like, you know, at the end of the day, you're not really caring about that shit. And like if I wanted to nitpick some more, I wish this was metal, like, or like aluminum, like a type of like metal or something, because this is metal but this is like some like plastic, so like you can see the scratches like way different than like this and this, in my opinion. So, you know, like the scratches here, they just look like a little bit more like they just look more prominent, right? Rather than here, it just looks like you can just buff it out real nice and it'll be good. See, guys, I like to relax sometimes. I'm not always a fucking crazy ass motherfucker. There are times where I like to relax, and there are times where I like to push it. Most of the times when I'm relaxing, I don't post it, so you don't see like the slow parts, you know. That's basically what you don't see. So y'all just judging me off of my cover right now. keep them comments coming, man. Keep crying. I don't really care. If I really cared, I wouldn't post it, right, man? There you go, guys. I just showed you guys a controlled takeover without like blasting the throttle. All right, you happy? I'm respecting the law, you weirdos. None of you none of you obey the law in your cars. Don't even talk to me about obeying laws on my bike. The fuck? Freaking cagers are so